HOMINTEC Doors and Windows were founded in 2001. We are a leading Chinese company specializing in the research and manufacturing of high-end aluminum-clad wood door and window systems. The production base is located in Qingdao Rural Economic Development Zone. Building area 200,000 square meters. It is one of the largest aluminum-clad wood windows and doors in China. As a leader in China's high-end aluminum-clad wood doors and windows industry, HOMINTEC Doors and Windows are committed to industrial upgrading and innovation. Introduce high-end equipment such as Germany and Italy, and advanced technology. Strategic cooperation with German R&D and design institutions. We have built a comprehensive wood processing center, aluminum comprehensive machining center, glass comprehensive processing center, and finished product assembly and processing center. Annual production capacity of aluminum-clad wood doors and windows 150,000 square meters. After more than 20 years of industrial precipitation and technological accumulation, HOMINTEC Doors and Windows build an excellent marketing team, an efficient production team, a strong technical team in product design based on German technology, incorporate Orientalist aesthetics, create customized doors and windows that meet the needs of high-end users. Product system feature North American black walnut, American cherry, national standard mahogany, and other precious woods, focusing on the customization of the world's precious wood doors and windows, and get 50 years without deformation. Patent for non-cracking wood integration. Optimize the service life of doors and windows. The product line involves aluminum-clad wood doors and windows, passive doors and windows, wood aluminum composite doors and windows, curtain wall and sunroom system, aluminum systems, and other series. Meet different high-end human settlements, lifestyle door and window customization needs. After years of development, HOMINTEC, the layout of the high-end door and window market continues to deepen. It has more than 300 direct stores in China. Form the perfect door and window customization service network. We undertake many widely influential projects. Shanghai Shishan International Golf Villa, the top 10 luxury houses in China. Mimon Mountain Edge Cartier, Guangzhou Chuanlong Hotel, door and window for many famous real estate projects with Pali Dragon Lake. More than 100 real estate companies such as Zhonghai Van reach a strategic partnership, serve more than 1,000 real estate projects. We have served 100,000 plus high-end villa owners and users. Become the first choice of wood window brand in China's top 100 real estate. With a focus on excellence, HOMINTEC, with its unique high-end design, outstanding product performance, and thoughtful customer service, stands out in a competitive market. Uphold the original intention. HOMINTEC Doors and Windows continue to promote the progress of national green energy-saving building. Continuously promote the development of the green and energy-saving building industry. Contribute to your better life.